Alright guys, little afternoon session. I wanted to test the Thumb 2 versus the Thumb Pro, but I forgot the Thumb 2. So today we test the Thumb Pro on its DIY Kuhl 35 free PV mount. I had to use some tape to make it not jiggle. So we just test the mount today and see if it's centered and how the FOV looks. So let's go. Let's go. We activated the dog. This is pretty good weather for a camera test because the conditions are great. I got the ND16 filter on it. Yeah. Ui, ui, ui. That was close. That was very close. New gap. The branch ferry is strong today. We should be a little bit more careful. I'm noticing that I didn't fly for a while now. At least the 3.5 inch. I have been doing some racing in the sim, doing the time attacks in Velocitron. Oh, this is a good color test. Not sure how this is called in English, but in German it is Heidekraut, which is blooming here quite a lot, here as well. I think racing is a good practice overall for like any kind of flying. But since I'm flying 45-degree angle for racing, or even 55-degree, I kinda have to get used to the 20-degree angle I got on the Kuhl again. But I think we will be fine in the second pack. Usually I don't take long for adjusting to stuff like this. I'm really curious how the FOV looks, because I think the FOV isn't even bigger with the Thumb Pro, but the lens is shorter, so it's just sitting further back. So we probably get more drone in the FOV actually with the free PV mount, maybe even too much, who knows. Okay, time to land. And we go for the second pack. That should have been the Thumb 2, but sadly I forgot to bring it. Lol. Dog is here too. Chilling. Let's go for the second pack. Okay, round 2. Let's go over here because the shadow moved and my goggles are getting hot actually. So you can hear the fans are turning up. Round 2. Woo. We have a woo. Don't forget the woo. Woo woo. Yeah. Still going. Woo woo. That was a power loop. That's some proximity, if I may say so. Oh, that is quite a hard dive actually. Wee. We are feeling risky today.
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna
Yeah.
find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide.
I have to say I like it with the Thumb Pro because of the weight. I'm pretty curious if the footage is good as well, because I think the Thumb Pro is easier to set up. You just lock the ISO at 100, keep the shutter at auto and put a ND filter on it, depending on the lighting. I hope I got the right ND filter today, but I think with the sun ND16 should be good. If the ND filter is too strong, you get a lot of motion blur with this cam, which is sometimes too much actually. Okay, that was a great little rip. Pretty happy with it. Did some French fairy taunting and some cool flying. Let's finish the session and check the footage. I'm very curious about it. This is like about a year now that I didn't fly the Thumb Pro. I hope the mount worked, because I left one screw out and had to tape it down so that it doesn't move, but it feels sturdy enough. I hope it works. See you guys next time. Now let's finish the recording first. Alright.